Uh, Very good morning, friends, and I hope you had a excellent expiry. A lot of zero to hero trades would have worked, and zero hero to zero also would have worked. What was our view yesterday? We had mentioned clearly I'm expecting Nifty future 670 levels, and if opens down, expecting short covering. Both sides moves expected. When which side is a big question. And couple of trades we had shared. I think. HDFC Life did not get triggered, and Tech Mahindra almost got triggered, but didn't. Almost came near our entry price. And then we took a couple of trades in the opening. 44 300 we bought at 34. This made about high of the 50. Later we realized market is very range bound, and we shared our levels. uh, 18655 above bullish, and below this we are expecting range bound, maybe even bearish also. And bank nifty futures 44275 above bullish, and uh, maybe range bound to bearish below that. Later we took some hedge positions which did give us some small profit, and we shared the levels of for put side 44 200 above 360, and they scalped twice 43 800 above 340. This made about high of 360 395, and twice we were able to make some profit out of this. uh, we also mentioned to our friends and subscribers that option is only for people. A lot of people, like, this is, I'm just sharing to you all, because many of us think that options is a buying and profiting instrument. So from 9:30 to 3:30, we expect throughout the day market to give us a lot of opportunities. uh, but in our case, we generally don't take or don't trade. We may scalp here and there, but we will look for big ones, and till at least 11:30 there is no big one which was seen. Post, I think, one or something, the bearish started moving. Around 2 o'clock, I mentioned 44 200 watch. Then we said it is active. Uh, from 360, it went to 440, and I think it went to 630 as well. So we mentioned trailer stop loss and trade as per your risk appetite. So because we already made some profit in the call side, 340 through 390, we had traded once. So the market was, in fact, uh, a lot of patience was tested, and the levels also which we mentioned, uh, if you remember, this was the level above this 18650. Possibly we were expecting some kind of a good rally, and now if you see the market, it is positioned in a very different way, where I can see there can be support which can be taken now, even if the low, even if it goes to 43 840, we will look for buying side. We may not look to sell positionally, at least for the next 1 week or for the next expiry too. Market can move above this 44 500 or even higher. We will only look how, say, having said that, options we cannot trade. Okay, since I said 44 500, I will go take 44 500 call. Your monthly expiry or weekly expiry won't work, because market will not just go straight up. It will bounce like this and then go up. So if you trade thinking that it will go straight up, and when you buy, once you buy, it may come down again to 43 700. So what happens to the premium? The delta decay starts happening. The time decay starts happening. The longer you hold the option, the premium decays more. So it is about momentum. The moment you buy, it should move. If it moves, then you are profit. And sometimes, if you observe, your bank nifty moves from 340 to 500 and then comes to 340 again. Why? Within couple of minutes, because premium, the premium, the momentum is reduced. We are only paying for the premium basically. So, anyways, I'm looking at these trades for today. Uh, if 44,400 moves above 395, 400, I'm looking at targets of 480, 500 plus, and 43,900 put if it moves below above triple three, then I'm looking at targets of 400. So these are the trades which I'm looking for today. I'm also looking at Titan. I'm looking at Infosys. Infosys, if 1,120 call moves above uh, 21, then I think I can look at targets of 28 plus. The other thing I would like to mention is right now the IT sector seems to be slightly better. Uh, it's at a good range if it is sustaining above the levels of 29,000 as we were, and even 29,370. So the next move can be 29,900 or even higher. So a good trade can be seen. Possibly, we think we should uh, we can look at Tech Mahindra as a good trade. Tech Mahindra stock looks good. In fact, I think it is. Yesterday we were looking at this 1120 about 33. This seems to be even valid for today. If this moves, then I think we should look for this trade. But there is quite a bit of shorting which is happening. Mm, for intraday. So if Tech Mahindra can move down, let's see how far it can go. Slightly, it is in a range. Okay, so I think Tech Mahindra, I would wait for some kind of a pull down or a pullback, and then for a upside move. So equity front, we can start adding this depending on the price action. We will see how the price action goes. The possibility of it is come down to 1,100 levels and then start going up. So we will look at this, and Adani Enterprises, I'm looking at 2,500 CE. Let us see. Based on price action, I think if it moves above 192, then I'm looking at targets of 230, 40 plus. Bharti Airtel has slightly showing signs of bearishness. Um, it is not sustaining about 390. I think this was a fake out rally which made yesterday. So having said that, this could still be a buy on dips if Bharti Airtel, it possibility is that it can be range bound. If this moves maybe about 833, then I'm looking at 850, 840 plus for the short term. However, if this moves down below 820, then I'm looking to short this. Uh, So depending on how the price moves, we will act accordingly because the big players can do trap us. We do not want to take over ambitious positions. India, in fact, India Bull Finance, I'm looking for shorts. Let me just share which puts we can look at and the entry price. So we may find a very good trade, but being the lot size is big, I bull HSG Finance, uh, 1000, sorry, 110 put. Uh, if it this one, I bull HSD Fin 110 moves about 3.3, then SL would be 2.9, sorry, 9. Target can be 4.1 to 4.4. So we can look at this, and even I think Maruti is slightly bearish after this big rally. Uh, However, maybe intraday, I do not see any kind of a big move happening. Uh, Even the open interest on the looks very different. Reliance, on the other hand, uh, I'm expecting some positive upside today. Uh, Let us see how market reacts. Um, my entries would be somewhere. It has to give me a good confidence that it can move, because it has been moving down for some time, and so if you have any questions, please do ask. We would be definitely glad to guide you. If you're stuck in any trades, please let us know. We will guide you there. Please do subscribe for the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified. And we can, uh, so you can come live and join us, and we will answer your queries. So thanks all for your time. So I have shared my views for today. I have shared the calls for today. Uh, Reliance, I will look at the price action and maybe share the trade today. So thank you all.